In this video I will tell you how you can fix error 279 in Roblox. Subscribe, like and hype if you want to get this and more Roblox guides and enter giveaways. Watch till the end to understand this guide well. Roblox error code 279 is basically a connection error that appears when your client fails to properly connect to a game server. I'll tell you what causes it, and why it sometimes shows up with different messages depending on the situation. The most common version says, "Failed to connect to the game. Connection attempt failed, error code 279. This usually happens when your internet connection has issues reaching Roblox servers or when something blocks the connection completely. In some cases, antivirus software, firewalls, browser settings, or network restrictions can interfere with Roblox and stop the client from connecting correctly. Another really common reason is server instability. If the Roblox server crashes, freezes, or starts breaking while you're playing, trying to reconnect too quickly can sometimes trigger error 279 because Roblox still thinks your previous session is active. This is why some players get stuck repeatedly failing to join the same server for a few minutes after disconnecting. Unfortunately, this error can sometimes also cause players to lose progress from their previous session if the server failed before data properly saved. There are also different versions of error 279 with other connection messages attached. One version says, "Illegal teleport destination." This appears when Roblox tries teleporting you into a place that either no longer exists, is inactive, or belongs to a completely different game universe than the one you started in. Another version says your Roblox version is out of date and asks you to uninstall and reinstall the game. This happens when the Roblox launcher or client becomes outdated and can no longer properly communicate with the servers. In those situations, reinstalling Roblox is usually required before you can join games again. A lot of the time, error 279 is temporary and disappears after waiting a little while or switching servers. Subscribe to this channel if you want to join the giveaway. Check the links in the video description and write what you would like to get from this game. If Roblox itself is having downtime or major issues, thousands of players can start getting the same error at once. Honestly, this is one of those errors that can come from multiple different causes at the same time, which is why it can sometimes be annoying to troubleshoot. But in most cases, it usually comes down to either server connection problems, Roblox outages, or the client failing to properly reconnect after a disconnect.